Connecting your bank account to Coinbase is essential for buying, selling, and withdrawing cryptocurrencies. So here's a detailed guide on how to do it. First, log into your Coinbase account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose Payment Methods from the available options. Click Add a Payment Method. Currently, the only supported method for adding funds to your Coinbase USD wallet is via an international SWIFT transfer to the following account. To do this, you have to access your bank's international transfer service, fill out the transfer details, and confirm the transfer. After completing the SWIFT transfer, your Coinbase account should be funded. This SWIFT transfer is the mandatory step to link your bank account and enable trading on Coinbase.